శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శంకారూపేణ మచ్చిత్తం పంకీకృతమభూద్యయ కింకరీయస్య సామాయ శంకరాచార్యమాశ్రయే. As per the tradition, studying Shankara's works during this first 5 days of Vaishakha Masa and contemplating on them gives a lot of bliss to the followers of Shankara Bhagavad-pada. Acharya has done several wonderful stotras, as we have been talking about for past 2 days. Today this attempt is to read out Sri Rama Bhujanga Prayata Stotram. So the Bhujanga Prayatam is a meter, chandas. Looks like Bhujanga means snake. The Prayatam is how it goes. Prayana, Prayata, Bhujanga Prayata. It looks like a snake going. So, and Sri Ramachandra Prabhu is my Ishtadevata. This stotra consists of 28 slokas and plus 1 Phalasruti. So this I try to give whatever explanation I can while reading it. So this is a very powerful stotra done by Jagadguru on Sri Ramachandra Parabrahma. Sri Rama Bhujanga Prayata Stotram. Sri Vishuddham Param Satchidananda Rupam Gunadharamadharahinam Varenyam Mahantam Vibhantam Guhantam Gunantam Sukhantam Swayandhama Ramam Prapadye. So Vishuddham Param, Vishuddham ever pure, Param Satchidananda Rupam, Param supreme, Sat Chid Ananda Rupam. Vishuddham Param Satchidananda Rupam. Gunadharam, Adharam is the basis for gunas. Gunadharam, Adharahinam. There is no basis for itself. Adharahinam. It is not dependent on anything. All the gunas are dependent on this tattva. Varenyam is a selected. Mahantam, Vibhantam, Guhantam, Gunantam. So, Guhantam, end of the secret. Guhantam, Gunantam, all the gunas, end or conclusion of gunas. Vibhantam, one who is brightly Prakasha or Vibha, variously bright, Vibhantam. Sukhantam, the conclusion of Sukha, end of Sukha. Sukhantam, Vibhantam, Guhantam, Gunantam, Sukhantam, Swayandhama Ramam Prapajya. Swayandhama. So, of his own Dhama, Swayandhama, Swayandhama Tejanadi, own effulgence. It's not reflected. Pure own effulgence. Swayandhama Ramam Prapajya. Such Rama, I bow down. Prapadya. Prapadya, I worship. I do upasana, all those things. Sivam Nityamekam Vibhum Tarakakhyam Sukhakaram Akara Sunyam Sumanyam Mahesham Kalesham Suresham Paresham Naresham Nirisham Mahisham Prapadye. So again another Prapadye. Sivam Nityamekam. Sivam, auspicious. Nityam, eternal. Ekam, one. Nityam Ekam. Vibhum is the Lord. Vibhu is Lord. Vibhum. Tarakakhyam, he is having the Taraka Nama. Taraka is to deliver, release, one which can carry us over to. Taraka Akhyam. Sukhakaram Akarasunyam Sumanyam. Of Sukha Akara, having the form of happiness. Akara Sunyam, having no form. One side, Sukhakaram, if you want to see it as Saguna Brahma. Akara Sunyam, Nirguna Brahma. Sumanyam, everybody respects him. Sumanyam. Mahesham, Kalesham, Suresham, Paresham. Mahesham, great Lord. Kalesham, Kala is the changes, Chandra Kalas. Kalesham. So Isha are the Lord of Kalas, Lord of transformations, Lord of changes. Suresham, Lord of gods. Paresham, Supreme Lord. Naresham, for humans also Lord. He was born as a human, so human Lord. Nirisham, there is no Lord above him. So Nirisham, he has no other Lord. Mahisham, Lord of the earth. So he is an emperor as well. Prapadya. So all these Isham. Mahesham, Kalesham, Suresham, Paresham, Naresham, Nirisham, Mahisham, Prapadya. So the poetic value also we can see. The Bhujanga Prayatam going like that with this kind of a alliteration going there. So the third sloka. Yadavarnayat karna mulenta kale sivo rama rameti rameti kasyam tadekam param taraka brahmarupam bhajeham 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 bhajeham. So yadavarnayat karna mulenta kale. Antakale, people who die in Kashi, Kashyam in Kasi, Shiva come and tell in the ear, Rama Rameti Rameti Kashyam, Rama Rama Rama. He will do the Upadesha of Rama Mantra. People who are dying in the Kasi. So having got that Upadesha from Shiva, the Rama Mantra, the fellow who dies in Kasi attains the eternal. So they don't need to come back again. It's not that just dying. So when people go there with bhakti, Shiva himself comes and gives this Upadesha just before the death. So Yadavarnayat karnamule antakale Shivo Rama Rameti Rameti Kasyam Tadekam Param Taraka Brahmarupam. So that is the Ekam Param Taraka Brahmarupam. That is one great Taraka Brahmarupam, the Rama mantra. Bhajeham, 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 Bhajeham. That mantra's Adhishtana Devata Sri Ramachandra, I do Bhajana. Maharatna Pithe Subhe Kalpamule Sukhasinam Koti Prakasham Sada Janaki Lakshmanopetam Ekam Sada Ramachandram Bhajeham Bhajeham. So first few slokas are said Prapadye, then it is Bhajeham. So this is the fourth sloka. So now the description of the God. Maharatna Pithe, having the jeweled Ratna Pithas, jewels on the Pitha seat. Shubhe Kalpamule. So on an auspicious seat, Simhasanam, Ratna Simhasana. Kalpa Vruksha Mule, sitting and in the Kalpa Mule, Kalpa Vruksha Mule. Sukhasinam Aditya Koti Prakasham. Sukhasinam, sitting happily, blissfully. Aditya Koti Prakasham. So thousands of Adityas, thousands of suns, the light effulgence of thousands of suns. Aditya Koti Prakasham. Sada Janaki Lakshmanopetam Ekam. He always seen with Janaki on the left side and Lakshmana on the right side. Lakshmanopeta mekam sada Ramachandram bhajeham bhajeham. So this iconography always having two Shaktis around, either as two wives, and in case of Rama, it is always seen as Janaki and Lakshmana. Opetamekam. They are the powers, energies, Shaktis of the Lord. They are always seen with him. So you can never see Rama without these Shaktis. Shakti Sahita Upasana. So this is Sadguna Upasana. In this Upasana, Rama is seen on the Ratnapetha, Kalpa Vriksha. So Kalpa Vriksha is actually desire fulfilling is not Rama, the tree under which Rama is sitting. So the desire fulfilling tree is with Rama basically. Rama is there. So Rama along with his Janaki Lakshmanopetam, Sukhasenam, Aditya Koti Prakasham, this is the Dhyana mantra. So Dhyana are the invocation, are God's invocation. Kvanadratna Manjira Padara Vindam Lasanme Khalacharu Pitambarajam Maharatna Harolla Sat Kautubhangam Nathat Chanchari Manjari Lolamalam. So the description of the God. Kvanadratna Pada Manjira Padara Vindam. Padadike. So with padas, the description starts with the feet. Kvanadratna Manjira Padara Vindam. Lasan Mekhalacharu Pitambarajam. Then the Pitambara, the dress which is worn, the pancha basically, and the what is worn, Pitambaram. Maharatna Harolla Sat Kaustubhangam. So Hala, Ratna Hala, Haras. Maharatna Harolla Sat Kaustubhangam. Nada Chenchiri Manjari Malalolam. So the bumblebees, they are coming, making sound around the malas where he is wearing the beautiful flowers. So the flowers are still very lively and they are attracting with their wonderful aromas, the smell and the beauty. These bees are coming around. So wearing such a, so the life is, so what he is wearing is the Kaustubhamani and these malas. Lasas Chandrikasmera Shonadharabham Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham Namad Brahma Rudradhi Kotira Ratna Spratkanti Nirajana Radhitangrim. So Lasas Chandrikas Smera Shonadharabham. So the smile like moonlight, Venela. Lasat Chandrika Smera Shonadharabham. Adhara, so the red lips, the white teeth, it looks like the smile which is coming like the bright moonlight. That is the poetic value again. There is a meaning for that again. Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham. Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham. Patanga, Plavanga Patanga, Indu. So he is having at the same time the Prakasha of sun and moon. Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham. Namad Brahma Rudradhi Kotira Ratna. Brahma Rudras, Adi, Brahma and Rudra, Adi Kotira Ratna. So their Kirita Ratnas are brightening the Spratkanti Nirajana Radhitangram. So those light is like Nirajanam, like the showing the light with the Karpura Nirajanam, what we give in the temples or when we do the puja. So that light is coming from the Namad. So one who is bowing down at him, their kotiras from their Nirajana, it comes like Nirajana. పురః ప్రాంజలీనాంజనేయాది భక్తాన్ స్వచిన్ముద్రయా భద్రయా బోధయంతం భజేహం భజేహం సదా రామచంద్రం త్వదన్యం నమన్యే నమన్యే నమన్యే. సో పురః ప్రాంజలి ఆంజనేయాది భక్తాన్, ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్ ఆంజనేయ ఆది భక్తాన్. ఫస్ట్ భక్త is Anjaneya. So we spoke about who are there this side, that side. Janaki Lakshmanopetamekam in one of the earlier slokas. In this sloka, 7th sloka, Pranjali with a Anjali, hands joined together in a Anjali mudra. Anjaneyadi Bhaktan. So Anjaneyadi Bhaktas who are all sitting. So Chinmudraya Bhadraya Bodhayantam. So he is not speaking to them. He is only teaching with them by a Hastamudra of Chinmudra. Holding the Chinmudra, he is clearing doubts of all the... So this Lakshana, this attribute is always attributed to Dakshinamurti. So in Rama, we are seeing the Guru Tattva, Dakshinamurti Tattvam. So the devotees are getting all the knowledge from his Chinmudra alone, without asking questions, without getting discourses, anything. Bhajeham, bhajeham, sada Ramachandram, tvadanyam namanye, namanye, namanye. So other than you, I don't consider anybody else. Yadamat samitpam krutantas sametya ప్రచండ ప్రకోపైర్ భేషయేన్ మాం తదావిష్కరోషిత్వదీయం స్వరూపం సదాపత్ ప్రణాశం సకోదండ బాణం. సో హియర్ అనదర్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఉపాసన. యదా మత్ సమీపం కృతాంత సమేత్య. సో వెన్ కృతాంత, ద లార్డ్ ఆఫ్ డెత్, comes near me, prachanda prakopaihi, with lot of prachanda prakopaihi, with lot of anger, bhatair bheshaye mam. So those bhatas, his assistants, they will be making me feel afraid of, they will be trying to take the prana away. Tadavishkaroshitvadiyam swarupam. At that time you will bring out the tvadiyam swarupam, your form. Avishkarosi. You bring that in front of me. Sadapat pranasam sakodanda banam. Sada apat pranasam. All apada pranasam, one who can remove. Along with that kodanda banam, with your bow and arrow, you will show yourself up at that time. Nije manase mandire sannidhehi prasida prabho Ramachandra sasaumitrina kaikeyi nandanena swasaktyanubhaktya cha samsevyamana. So swasakti bhakti, along with the Shakti, Bharata, Lakshmana. So, Nije Manase Mandire Sannidhehi. So you stay in my mind Mandira. Prasida Prabho Ramachandra. Sa Saumitrina, along with Saumitri. Saumitri is Sumitra's son, Lakshmana. Kaikeyi Nandanena, Bharata. Swasaktya, with your Shakti. Bhaktyacha, other bhaktas. Samsevyamana. And you live in my mandira, my mind mandira. Swabhaktagraganyai kapisair mahisai anikair anekaischa Rama prasida. Namaste namostvisha Rama prasida prashadhi prakasham prabho mam. So until 8th sloka we have the explanation of the rupa has been done. Now there are some requests being put. So you stay in my mind. Mind is very always moving entity. So something consistently has to come and sit in there so that I can hold on to something. So bhaktagraganyaihi kapishaihi mahishaihi. So having your bhaktagraganyas like Kapisha, Hanuman, Kapi Isha, the lord of Kapi Vamsha, or the Hanuman, Kapishaihi, so plural, and Mahesaihi, lot of Maheshas, means Ishwaras. Ishwara is also a bhakta of Sri Ramachandra. Anikair Anekaischa, several of them. Anikaihi, Anikaihi, groups of them, groups of Kapishas, groups of Maheshas. What is this? There should be only one, so we don't know how many Hanuman are like Hanuman Bhaktas, how many Shiva like Bhaktas are there? All these groups of Bhaktas. Anisai Ranesaihi, Anikai Anekaischa Rama Prasida, come with all of them. Means we are invoking all those powers of the Bhaktas also, Rama and Rama Bhaktas, to protect me, to guide me, to help me. Namaste Namostvesha Rama Prasida Prasadhi Prakasham Prabho Mam. So give that light. So we are asking the light or enlightenment of all those to come in. Tvamevasi Daivam Paramme Yedekam Suchaitanyametat Tvadanyam Namanye Yato Bhud Ameyam Vyadvayu Tejo Jalorvyadikaryam Charam Chacharancha Tvamevasi Daivam Paramme Yedekam. Tvam eva asi Daivam Param Ye Yedekam. Yad Ekam Ye. So, which is Suchaitanyametatat Tvadanyam Namanye. There is no Chaitanya where Yato Bhotameyam Vyadvayu Tejo Jalorvyadikaryam. So, of all the Charachara, Charancha, Acharancha, whatever is moving, whatever is not moving, moving, unmoving world, Charancha, Acharancha, in that one Chaitanya, in all the five bhutas, Vyad, Vayu, Tejo, air, fire, space, all Panchabhutas, Bhutameyam, Bhudayam, Yado Bhudameyam, Ayam Ameyam, Yat, that Chaitanya. There is nothing other than you, which is that Chaitanya, which is seen in any of these bhutas, any of these five fundamental elements and their karyam and their actions. Jaloryadi karyam, so their activity, where whatever they are causing the activity, everything is, the Chaitanya is you alone. This is a type of a realization which is being said. Namasacchidananda Rupaya Tasmai Namo Deva Devaya Ramaya Tubhyam Namo Janaki Jiviteshaya Tubhyam Namah Pundarikaya Takshaya Tubhyam. So having told that Tvamevasi Daivam Paramye Yedekam, so having said that you are, I have understood or realized or figured out that any Chaitanyam, any consciousness anywhere is seen in Charam Acharam is you alone, the Rama alone. Namas Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai. So Parabrahma Satchit Ananda. Namas Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai. Namo Deva Devaya Ramaya Tubhyam. So Deva Deva as Rama Tubhyam. Namo Janaki Jiviteshaya Tubhyam. Janaki is symbolically the earth, or daughter of earth. Jiviteshaya, the cause of her life. She took a form to help Rama. So Jivita, her whole of life is dedicated to him. Namo Janaki Jivitesaya Tubhyam. Namah Pundarikayata Tubhyam. Pundarikayata Aksham. The eyes, like lotus eyes. The bright, wide lotus witnessing capability. She's overseeing everything. That Tubhyam. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuраktaya Tubhyam. Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse. Namah Sundaraya Indira Vallabhaya. So another set of namas. Namakam. Namah Bhakti Yuktanuраktaya Tubhyam. Bhakti Yukta Anurakta. Namaha. Those who have devotion, you have the anurakti towards them. You turn towards them. You rejoice in them. Who have the devotion. So people who have devotion rejoices in those people who have devotion. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuраktaya Tubhyam. Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Only through the Punya Punja Ekalabdha, through virtue, Punya alone. Namaha Punya Punjaika Alabhyaya Tubhyam. So only by Punya Punja Eka Alabhyaya Tubhyam. So only through the Punya you are not God. So along with the Punya you should have something else, Jnana. So that is missing. So Namah Punya Punja Eka Alabhyaya Tubhyam. So only by virtue not able to get you. Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Tubhyam. Only by Veda Vedya, knowing by the knowledge, wisdom of Vedas. Veda Vedyaya Cha Adyaya Tubhyam. Of very beginning, the source, and known only through the Vedas. So Punya alone will not take you there. Veda Vedya Ajaya Tubhyam. So the path is being again described. Any misunderstanding is there. By doing Punya, I will be able to get to Rama. Not possible. Namo Vishwakartre, Namo Vishwahartre, Namo Vishwabhoktre, Namo Vishwamatre, Namo Vishwanetre, Namo Vishwajetre, Namo Vishwapitre, Namo Vishwamatre. So for the Vishwam means everything what is visible. Vis to enter, whatever is enterable, has been entered by Vishnu. So Vishwa. Vishwakartre, one who has done the Vishwa. Vishwahartre, one who will remove the Vishwa. One who Kartre, who brought it in, who takes it away. Vishwahartre, who takes it away. Harana, without telling anybody, like robbing, stealing it. Hartre, he'll take it away. Namo Vishwabhoktre, who enjoys this world. When enjoying, he enjoys the world. Namo Vishwamatre, mother of this world. Vishwamatre he is only seen as Vishwa here. Vishwamatra here is not the mother of Vishwamatre. Vishwamatra means he alone is Vishwa. So Vishwa is nothing, not even a kinchat other than Rama. Namo Vishwanetre, the witness of Vishwa. Namo Vishwajetre, one who has conquered the Vishwa is also Rama. Namo Vishwapitre, the father. Then who is the mother? Namo Vishwamatre, the mother also. So everything related to Vishwa is Rama alone. Nobody other than Rama is there in this equation. Then this is one of my favorite slokas. Namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. Madiyam manastat padadvandva sevam vidhatum pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai. So namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha, of whole of this world, prabhoga prayoga pramana pravina. So who is Lord? One definition of Lord is being given here by Shankara Bhagavad Pada. So Prabhoga. Prabhoga is to enjoy without any obstacle, without anything, any hindrance, nobody stopping. So if I have something, my lordship, if I own something, I should be able to enjoy that object. Prayoga. Prayoga is I should be able to give it to anybody who I wish. So nobody should stop me from giving that item to somebody. Prayoga. Pramana. This is very important. Whatever I have, I own, I should know the measure of it. I should know in the sense we should be able to measure that. So where Rama or Vishnu measured this as Vamana, the 3 feet measurement. So the 3 feet measurement also says the internal, external, what is known as earth, material, what is known as space, energy, what is known as inward consciousness, which is in the head, the internal world. All the 3 are measured, so without any problem. So pramana pravina, being able to measure. So a lordship means one should have prabhoga, prayoga, pramana, pravina. So one who has all these 3 abilities is the lord of anything. So nobody else can be called as a lord. Madiyam manastvat padadvandva sevam. So my mind, if it is lodged at your lotus feet, padadvandva seva, to worship those padadvandvas. Vidhadam pravurtvam suchaitanya siddhyai. So I lodge my mind at there. Why? To get the suchaitanya siddhyaihi. So suchaitanya siddhi, good consciousness, chaitanya, ability to understand. So this is again a upasana marga. So prabhoga, so we are worshipping a Lord as who is a prabhoga, prayoga, pramana, pravina. So he has no obstacle to give some prabhoga to me, or he himself can consume, and also he knows the pramana of everything. He knows what is good shreyas for me. So I don't need to request, ask for things. All that I have to do is take the mind and put it at the lotus feet, or lodging it at the lotus feet. Vidhatam, pravrittam. Pravritti are their functions, the pravrittis. Vrittis, pravrittis are the functions of the mind. Those pravrittam suchaitanya siddhyai, to put them into the suchaitanya, right consciousness, right direction. Siddhyai, that is a siddhi by itself. Means aligning the mind in the right direction, the prachodayat, it is the only thing told in the Gayatri Mahamantra also. Suchaitanya siddhyaihi. Silapit vadangri kshamasangi renuhu prasadadhi chaitanya madhatta rama narastvat padadvanda seva vedhanat suchaitanya meti iti kinchitramatra. Ahalya's Vrittanta is being given. Ahalya became like a stone because of her deep tapas. So complete her Chaitanya has not been seen outside. So it has become antarhita. It has become inwardly, completely inward. By your touch, your pada renu, silapit vadangri kshamasangi renuhu. So by the touch of a dust particle which arose off from your walking feet, touching that sila, what has come? Prasadadhi chaitanya madhatta rama. Her chaitanya has come back again. Naraha, tvat padadvandva seva vedhanat suchaitanya meti iti kinchitramatra. I am a human. Suchaitanyam eti. Chaitanyam right, having the right Chaitanya as a human being, why I can't get it? పవిత్రం చరిత్రం విచిత్రం త్వదీయం నరాయే స్మరస్త్వనహంతం రామచంద్ర భవంతం భవాంతం భరంతం భజంతో లభంతే కృతాంతం నపశ్యంతతోంతే. Sri Ramachandra's charitra is lot of pavitram. It is pavitram, great one. The charitra history. Vichitram. Charitram, vichitram todiyam naraye smarasvanvaham Ramachandra. Bhavantam, bhavantam, bharantam, bhajanto. So, people will, by doing the bhajana, labhante krutantam napasyantare. So, they don't need to see the krutantam, yama. They don't have a yamena nacharcha. Kriyate tena yamena nacharcha. So, the same thing. So, you know, they don't need to go and discuss with this yama. Sapunyas saganyas saranyo mamayam naroveda yo deva chodamanim tvam sadakaramekam chidananda rupam manovagagamyam parandhama rama. Sapunyah saganyaha. So he is considered as virtuous, he is the ganyaha, he is counted on, he is to be counted. Saranyo mamayam, I can go and take refuge in him. Naroveda yo deva chodamanim tvam. Nara, the person who knows you are the deva chodamani. You are the crushed jewel of all the gods. Sadakaramekam, of Sadakara, Chidananda Rupam, Chitananda Rupam, Manovagagamyam, who is not reachable by manas and vak, mind, imagination, vak, words. Chidananda Rupam, Manovag, Parandhama Rama, of Parandhama, Supreme Rama. Prachanda Pratapa Prabhava Bhibhuta, Prabhutari Veera Prabho Ramachandra, Balante Kadham Varnyatetiva Balye, Yuto Khandi Chandisa Kodanda Dandaha. So, that taking another incident of the Sivadhanadbhanga, Prachanda Pratapa Prabhava Bhibhuta, Prabhutari Viro Prabho Ramachandra, Balante Kadham Varnyatetiva Balye, Yuto Khandi Chandisa Kodanda Dandaha. In the Balya, as a young boy, 15-year-old boy alone, you have lifted the Chandisa Danda, so you have able to break the villu of Shiva. So how to count your power or energy or Shakti? Dasagreva Mugram Saputram Samitram Saridurga Madhyastha Rakshoganesham Bhavantam Vinarama Viro Narova Surova Marova Jayat Trilokyam Jayat Trilokyam. So, other than you, can anybody win that Dasagreva? Dasagreva Mugram. He can't be won by anybody. Saputram Samitram, what he have done along with his friends, along with putras, progeny, his sons. Saridurga Madhyastha Rakshoganesham. So, Rakshaseswara, he is the Rakshasa Gana Ishwara of Rakshogana Isham, this Dasagrevam, Ugram. Bhavantam Vina, other than you, Rama, Viro Narova, another human being, Surova, God, Amarova, different types of Jayatkat Trilokyam. Anybody can win him? The answer is no. It's a Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyandakandam Pibantam Namantam Nudantam Hasantam Hanumantam Antar Bhajetam Nitantam. So I will pray to Hanumanta. Who is Hanumanta? Hanumanta is Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante, always saying Rama Rama and drinking the Rama Amrutam, nectar of Rama Amrutante. Sadarama Mananda Nishyandakandam, always enjoying in this Ananda of drinking the nectar of Rama Rama. Pibantam, he is drinking. Namantam, Nudantam, Hasantam, he is talking about Rama, drinking Rama's name. Namantam, praying, bowing down to Rama. Hasantam, smiling, laughing with that ecstasy. Hanumantam antarbhajetam nitantam. That Hanumanta, I inwardly, I bow down to or I do the bhajana of Hanuman. So it is first we worship a devotee, then worship the God. First we worship Tulasi, take one Tulasi leaf and put that in front of Vishnu, worship Vishnu. So first we worship Sivaswarupa Hanuman and then worship Rama. Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam Pibanvanvaham Nanvaham Naiva Mrutyor Bhibhemi Prasada Dasadat Tadaiva. So Ananda Kanda Rama Rama. So always drinking that I am not afraid of the death. Mrutyu. It can't bring any fear into me. So there is, basically if no fear about death, there is no fear. So only fear is, ultimately all fear relates to death. Death is going into non-existence. So that is not there to me. Asita sametayir akondanda bhushayir asaumitri vandyayir achanda pratapayir alankesha kalayir sugriva mitrayir rama bhibidayir alandaivatayir naha. So one who is not Sita Sameta, one who is not Kodanda Bhusha, one who is not holding a Kodanda, Saumitri Vanjai, so not having Lakshmana next to him, Achanda Pratapa, not having the Chanda Pratapam, great Pratapa. Alankesha Kalai, one who has not killed Lankesha, Ravanasura, Sugriva Mitrai, one who is not a friend of Sugriva, Rama Bhidayai, of not having a name of Rama, Alam Daivatayir Naha, is not God. A negative reinforcement of Avirasanasthair Achinmutrika Jaya Bhaktyanjineyadi Tattva Prakasai Amandara Malaira Amandara Mulaira Mandara Malaira Rama Bhideyairalam Daivatair Naha. So one who is not having all those qualities is not a God. Asindhu Prakopair Anandya Prakatapair Abandhu Pramanair Bandhu Prayanair Amandasmitadjai Adanda Pravasair Akhanda Prabodhair Rama Bhideyairalam Daivatair Naha. One who has not Sindhu Pratapai, one who has not constructed the bridge over the Sindhu or put arrow. So Sindhu has Pratapai. Avandya Pratap Prakopair Abandhu Prayanai, one who will not go with a Bandhu Prayanai, always Bandhu Prayanam. When he has gone to the forest, everybody went behind him. Amandasmitadchai Adanda Pravasai. So all those qualities of Rama have been told. Nalam Daivatayarna. Hare Rama Sita Pate Ravanare Kharare Murare Surare Pareti Lapantam Nayantam Sadakalamekam Samalokaya Lokaya Sesha Bandho. Hari Sita Pati Rama Ravana Virodhi, giving all the names Murari, Kharari, Murari, Pararupa. So I am praying with all these names to you. So look at me. So finally we are asking to have a graceful look. So you are a friend of all the Jivis. So I am doing this. Even if I am not doing, you have a look at. But I am doing this, have a look at me. So it looks little contradictory, but that is a Upasana Vidhana itself. Namaste Sumitra Suputra Bhivandya, Namaste Sada Kaikeyi Vandavedya, Namaste Sada Vanaradhi Sevandya, Namaste Namaste Sada Ramachandra. So another Namas. Prasida Prasida Prachanda Pratapa Prasida Prasita Prachandarikala Prasida Prasiddha Prasannanukampin Prasida Prasida Prabho Ramachandra. Another grace request, Prasida Prasida. Sida Prasida. So with that actual 28 slokas, the stotra ends. Phalasruti. Bhujanga prayatam param vedasaram muda ramachandrasya bhaktya cha nityam pathan santatam chintayan swantarange sayeva swayam ramachandras sadhanyaha. So now he says the Bhujanga prayatam. This is a Bhujanga prayata stotra. Param vedasaram. It is having all the essence of Vedas. Where it is there, people need to study, read, do the upasana of this Bhujanga Prayata. know which Veda is there, where in which sloka. Veda Saram, Muda Ramachandrasya Bhaktya Acha Nityam. So always, every day. Nityam means always. Muda, with happiness. Muda Ramachandrasya Bhaktya Acha Nityam. Pathan Santatam Chintayan Swantarange. Pathan, study. Pathan means study. We have been telling this. Chintayan Swantarange, in Antaranga, inwardly, Chintayan Ramachandram, Sayeva Swayam Ramachandraha. He will Swayam become, he himself will become Ramachandra. Sayeva Swayam Ramachandraha, Sadhanyaha. He is accomplished and he will be Ramachandra himself. So, Bhujanga Prayata Stotram is complete. This is Srimad Paramahamsa Paridvarajakaryacharyasya Govinda Pujya Pada Sishyasya Sri Sankara Bhagavata Kruta Rama Bhujanga Prayata Stotram Sampurnam. So all the defects of explaining this are mine. With that, let that grace of Ramachandra through the words of Sankara Bhagat Pada be on one and all. So wishing one and all a great Sankara Jayanti tomorrow. Swasti.